Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to customize navbar in Samsung S26 Ultra. If you're using Samsung S26 Ultra and you want to customize your navbar, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your settings. Now, once you are in settings, you have to just scroll down, look for lock screen here, display lock screen, and here you have to look for navbar. Just click on it. So unfortunately, you cannot completely customize your navbar, but there are few settings you can change. The very first, you can set up live notification. You can enable or disable live notifications for any of your app on navbar. And after that, the other setting you can change, that is current mode. You can enable or disable these settings for your navbar, and you cannot customize its size or its style and Android S26 Ultra. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.